What if tomorrow the grocery stores shut down? No deliveries, no fresh food, no backup plan. Imagine standing in your kitchen, opening an empty fridge, and realizing there's no way to feed your family. Sounds scary, right? But here's the thing, people who quietly grow certain crops at home are already prepared for this kind of moment. The truth is, only a handful of plants can actually keep you alive when times get hard and most people have no idea which ones they are. In this video, you'll discover 20 crops to grow to survive difficult times. Crops that don't just fill your plate, but keep your body strong, healthy, and independent. Some of them grow faster than you think, some last for years, and a few can literally regrow themselves. Stay with me because the crops at the end might shock you the most. We've all seen how unpredictable the world can be. Food prices jump, supply chains break, and even basic items become impossible to find. That's why people across America and Canada are turning their backyards into self-sufficient gardens. Growing survival crops isn't just about saving money, it's about freedom knowing you can feed your family no matter what happens. But here's the mistake beginners often make. They plant what looks good, not what lasts. There's one secret rule to survival gardening that most people miss. It's not about how pretty your garden looks, it's about how powerful your plants are. Keep that in mind as we go through this list. Because once you know which crops matter most, your garden becomes your insurance policy. Before I share the first crop, ask yourself this: if you could only plant 5 things this year, what would they be? Most people say tomatoes, lettuce, maybe cucumbers. But here's the truth, none of those will keep you alive when things get serious. You need crops that grow in tough conditions, store well, and give real nutrition. In a few seconds, I'll share the first one. It's a root crop that once kept entire villages alive through famine. And the best part? You can grow it in almost any soil. Let's start the list. 1. Potatoes, the king of survival crops. They're packed with carbs, grow fast, and can survive rough weather. You can eat them fresh, store them for months, or even replant the ones that sprout. Every prepper knows a small patch of potatoes can feed a family through hard times. 2. Sweet potatoes. Unlike regular potatoes, these are loaded with vitamin A and fiber. They love warm climates and can grow in poor soil. And here's something wild, the leaves are edible too, like spinach. 3. Beans. If protein is power, beans are gold. They're easy to store and they fix nitrogen in the soil, making your garden richer every year. The best part? They keep producing pods for weeks. 4. Corn. More than a side dish, it's a survival base. Dried corn can be ground into flour, popped, or boiled. Native Americans lived off it for centuries. Just make sure you grow heirloom varieties so you can replant the seeds. 5. Cabbage. Don't underestimate this humble crop. It grows in cold climates. It's packed with vitamin C, and when fermented, it lasts months as sauerkraut. Perfect for long winters. 6. Carrots. They grow underground, safe from harsh weather. You can eat them raw, cooked, or stored in sand for months. And they regrow from the tops if you plant them again. 7. Garlic. Small but mighty. It fights infections, boosts immunity, and lasts for months. Plus, it keeps pests away from your other crops naturally. But here's something nobody tells you: survival isn't just about what you grow, it's about what keeps growing without you. Think about it. What if you had crops that come back year after year, even if you forget to plant them? Imagine a garden that keeps feeding you while you sleep. Sounds unreal, right? The next few crops do exactly that. These are the lazy survival crops that most people ignore, but once you plant them, you'll never need to worry again. 8. Kale. The toughest green you'll ever grow. It survives frost, heat, and neglect. Packed with iron, calcium, and vitamins. It's like nature's multivitamin. And if you harvest the leaves instead of the whole plant, it just keeps growing. 9. Spinach. A quick grower that can handle cool weather. You can plant it early in spring and again in fall. Fresh, light, and perfect for constant harvests. 10. Peas, they give you fresh food and improve your soil, just like beans. Plus, you can dry and store them easily. Peas are like a 2-for-1 survival deal. 11. Onions, they might not be flashy, but they store for months and flavor everything. You can grow them from sets or seeds, and they thrive in almost any region. 12. Squash, especially winter varieties. A single squash vine can feed you for months. Winter squash like butternut and acorn last all season without refrigeration. Slice one open in December, and it still tastes fresh. 13. Beets a double win, you get edible roots and leaves. They grow fast and stay good in storage. Their deep color means they're full of antioxidants, exactly what your body needs under stress. 14. Herbs like basil, rosemary, and oregano. You might not think of herbs as survival crops, but they're essential. They heal, flavor, and repel insects. A handful of fresh basil can lift the flavor of even the simplest meal. Now wait, there's one crop most people completely forget about, and yet it's the most powerful survival plant on Earth. If you had to choose only one plant to grow for long-term survival, this would be it. It doesn't just feed you, it gives you cooking oil, medicine, and even shade. Can you guess what it is? Hold that thought, because it's coming near the end of this list. But first, let's finish with a few crops that might save you when everything else fails. 15. Tomatoes, they don't store long unless preserved, but they're perfect for sauces, soups, and sun-drying. Grow cherry tomatoes for quick harvests or paste varieties for canning. 16. Peppers, from sweet bell to hot chili, they add flavor, nutrition, and variety. Dried peppers store easily and can spice up any bland survival meal. 17. Sunflowers, and here it is, the forgotten survival powerhouse. Sunflowers give you edible seeds rich in protein and oil that can be pressed for cooking. Plus, they attract pollinators to your garden. 18. Zucchini, if you've ever grown it, you know it's unstoppable. Just one plant can produce more than you can eat. Perfect for quick calories and stir-fries. 19. Turnips, another 2 in one crop. The greens are nutritious and the roots grow fast. They can handle cold weather, making them a must for northern gardeners. 20. Fruit trees, like apple, peach, or fig, the ultimate long-term investment. Plant once, and they feed you for decades. Even small yards can fit dwarf varieties in pots. When things get tough, nothing beats walking outside and picking breakfast off a branch. So, there you have it, 20 crops that can keep you alive and thriving through hard times. You don't need acres of land or fancy equipment. You just need the right plants and a little effort. The truth is, growing survival crops isn't just about preparing for crisis. It's about reconnecting with the earth, your food, and your future. Every seed you plant is a step toward freedom. So, start small, maybe just 5 of these crops, and watch your confidence grow along with them. Because when difficult times come, you won't be running to the store. You'll be walking into your own garden.